Hi all, my name is Imesh. Along with our team members, Meera and Tristan, we are going to present you an executive summary of an article named What is the Hard Return on Employee Wellness Programs, which is published on Harvard Business Review by Leonard and William. So, what is workplace wellness? It means any workplace health promotion activities or organization policies designed to support healthy behavior in the workplace to improve health outcomes. According to the textbooks, as a result of those wellness programs have helped reduce elevated level of stress, anxiety, and depression. So why we need workplace wellness? It's a win-win situation for employer and employer. Some benefits are reduced healthcare costs. During 2002 to 2008, Johnson & Johnson Corporate saved 250 million in healthcare costs. Also help to improve health. Research done on single employer random sample of 185 workers and their spouses after receiving cardiac rehabilitation and exercise training from an expert team, 57% were converted to low risk status by end of the 6 months program. Another benefit is it reduces health insurance premiums. In 2001, after a wellness program started at MD Anderson Cancer Center, workers' insurance premiums were declined by 50%. Due to wellness program, voluntary turnover decreased as well. After a wellness program started at SAS Institute, voluntary turnover reduced to 4%. As a result of a wellness program, lost work and modified duty days were reduced as well. In 2001, after a wellness program started at MD Anderson Cancer Center, lost work days declined by 80% and modified duty days by 64%. Summary of the benefits. 50% of workers' insurance premium were declined. 250 million is the healthcare cost savings. 57% of people high health risk reached to low risk. 4% is voluntary turnover rate at SAS Institute. 80% of lost work days declined. So, what are the six pillars? After extensive studies, six essential pillars of successful strategically integrated wellness programs were identified regardless of an organizational size. Those pillars are multi level leadership, alignment, scope, relevance, and quality, accessibility, partnership, communications. Pillar 1, multi level leadership. Creating a culture of health takes passionate, persistent, and persuasive leadership at all levels. Let us start with the C suite. Unless the CEO makes time for exercise, employees won't feel the importance even their health correlates with financial outcomes. Next is middle managers. They must adopt a personal health goal as one of their unit business goals. How about wellness program managers? They need to connect their expertise to the culture and strategy of the organization. We can left the wellness champions. They are the volunteer health ambassadors who offer local, on the ground encouragement, education, and mentoring. Pillar 2, alignment. A wellness program should be a natural extension of firm's identity and culture, but culture shifts take time. It needs planning and patience. Monthly wellness meetings and reports and annual wellness day events. For an example, Nelnet conducts annual wellness assessments. We need carrots, not sticks. Employees favor positive incentives for following wellness program. Example, in 2011, Lowe's offer employees a monthly $50 discount on medical insurance if covered dependents will not use any tobacco products. Wellness program must be a complement to business priorities. Wellness program needs to make business sense. Example, Chevron, where 60 to 70% of all jobs are considered safety sensitive, so fitness for duty is a central concern.
Wellness is just not about physical fitness. For example, depression and stress significantly decrease work productivity. Administrators need to have a holistic approach to employee wellness. Now, most corporate wellness programs focus on the physical component of health and does not take into account all the different elements of employee wellness. In order to achieve the optimal well-being in the workplace, employers have to take a holistic approach to wellness. Preventative stress management is an organizational philosophy that believes people and organizations should take equal responsibility for promoting health and preventing strain and distress. Now, there are three stages of preventative stress management: primary, secondary, and tertiary prevention. Most organizations use primary prevention, which is intended to reduce, modify, or eliminate the demand or stressor causing stress. So when we think of signature wellness programs, one of the companies that immediately comes to mind is Google. Now, overall, it can be a challenge encouraging employees to participate in your wellness programs. But in order to increase pride and involvement from your employees, a high profile and high quality initiative within a wider wellness program is definitely recommended. So Google, as a company, definitely maintains a low stress and an overall healthy environment. When it comes to true organizational stress prevention, utilizing primary prevention is key because this approach reduces the demands the organization places on your employee. So fun is definitely a significant part of any wellness initiative. Now, while overall it isn't a cure by all means, it can help reduce your stress and improve your quality of life. When we have fun, our body produces feel-good hormones that are critical to a healthy mind and body. It's also significant to reinforce positive habits and to connect with others. Fun is definitely a central component of happiness. So when it comes to accessibility and on-site integration, convenience matters. To reap the positive benefits of wellness programs without the discriminatory aspects, it is very important that a workplace wellness program be accessible in a way that is useful to everyone. One-way workplace wellness programs are encouraged to overcome this bias against those who cannot easily take part is to allow alternate paths to success, personalized health goals rather than standardized or required outcomes.
Collaborating with the organization in effective partnerships can do wonders for community and health equity. Fitbit is one such great example. Fitbit not only has a great internal corporate wellness program, but also helps other companies to utilize the power of their fitness trackers and create a customized and engaging programs. 30 of Fortune 500 companies participate in Fitbit's wellness program, which ultimately helps in saving money in terms of medical costs and reduced sick days. Fitbit practices what it preaches. For example, the company plans Workout Wednesdays, a day devoted to fitness where employees can participate in various workouts throughout the day. It of course utilizes its product by running quarterly step challenges. A perfect example of a successful Fitbit enrolled company is Houston Methodist. Houston Methodist is known to keep its patients and employees healthy. In addition to reduced prices for Fitbits, it also offers a biometric screenings for the staff and categorizes it into different tracks like pregnant, nicotine positive, high BMI, or healthy, to name a few, that each wellness program can be personally tailored, and employees who complete their track successfully earns a premium difference of $520 on an annual basis. Fitbit Wellness has also allowed Methodists to develop creative competitions and events revolving around steps. One of its first implementations was a CEO challenge where employees were tasked with overstepping their superiors. It was a challenge where employees were encouraged to walk more than their CEOs. The wellness program not only improves employee health but also brings the whole office together and creates a friendly environment. Wellness has more than a physical aspect to it. There are various ways to connect and communicate. You don't always have to talk to people to effectively convey your messages. As they say, action speaks louder than words. Be creative and send messages. Not everyone is comfortable talking about their personal health. Hence, companies should come up with different ways to communicate. For example, organize healthy food potlucks from across the globe. It's a fun way, I believe, to share healthy food and wellness information from around the globe and celebrate the diversity within the organization. Zappos, an online retailer, engages its employees by creating small teams from different departments and do outdoor activities. Draper. It has been voted as one of the best and healthiest workplaces in United States in 2014. Their wellness coordinator creates a monthly newsletter featuring wellness superheroes who are voted by their peers for modeling healthy behaviors in the workplace. Another company called Earth Friendly Products organizes the best environmentally health initiatives. Each facility has organic gardens from which employees can snag fruits and vegetables. Another unique aspect of its wellness program is something called re-parties, where staff members can swap clothes and household items. Additionally, if employees want to trade a car for a more environmentally friendly one, the company helps to pay for that. Therefore, wellness should not be imposed. It should be organic and natural. Prevention is better than cure. Wellness is not just a mere way to save companies' finances, but it's a message to make the difference. Implementing wellness programs that integrates nutrition, physical, and mental wellness helps the company to reduce its costs while supporting its employees to lead a healthy and wealthy life. This program also results in higher productivity, lower absenteeism, higher profit, higher earnings per share, and much more. Hence, effective wellness programs at work makes the future of the nation bright.